Well, I'm Jason Mindeman. I'm the construction trades instructor at CKTC.
Are you ready to build your future in the construction industry? At CKTC, our construction trades program gives you the hands-on skills employers are looking for. You'll learn rough and finish carpentry, electrical, and plumbing, the core trades that keeps our homes, businesses, and communities running. In carpentry, you'll master everything from framing and structural work to the fine finish details that bring projects to life. Our electrical training covers wiring, circuits, and safety, preparing you for one of the most in-demand trades today. And with plumbing, you'll gain the skills to install and maintain the systems every building depends on. These aren't just skills, they're careers. On average, carpenters earn around $55,000 a year. Electricians average $60,000 to $65,000 a year, and plumbers make $60,000 to $70,000 a year. And with experience, those numbers can grow much higher. Our program focuses on real-world projects, safety, and problem solving. So when you graduate, you'll be ready to step onto the job site with confidence. Whether you want to start your own business, join a union, or work for a top contractor, the opportunities are endless. If you like working with your hands, solving problems, and building a future you can be proud of, the Construction Trades program at CKTC is the perfect place to start. Don't just watch others build. Come join us and build your career today.